this is Bill and Frank. We're with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review to show you this absolutely amazing, limited use, American-made, domestic-built Axelson. It's a Model 16, serial number 4880, and it happens to be our stock number 9569. Now, first and foremost, with this Axelson, heavy-built machine, very, very heavy pattern machine, we'd like to point out on a Model 16, what you're seeing here is 18.5 inches over the cross slide, 10 3/4 inches over, 18.5 inches over the bed, 10 3/4 inches over the cross slide, and has 102 inches between centers. So from center to center, we're at a full 102 inches. We're going to be showing you this machine running under power today. Additionally, we're also going to show you the wonderful tooling package that comes with the machine. We're currently running at 230 volts, and we happen to be at spindle speed 13 RPM. That being said, let's go ahead and run it through its paces, Frank, and see what you've got. We're extremely thrilled to be offering you this American-made Axelson. It's a very well-maintained machine. The condition is excellent. We're going to show you the ways and the cross slide. Now, also, I want you to listen to the headstock and how quiet and smooth everything runs. This has 24 spindle speed changes. RPM, please? 97 RPM, ranging from 13 to 1577 RPMs. It has a very generous thread range and a very generous feed range. The threads, there's 54 of them, ranging from 1.5 to 92 TPI. 232. Okay. Now also, please note, this is a hard way machine. This Axelson has a hard bed. Where are we at, bro? 308 RPM. Now, you might be seeing some other machines in the background, and we'll talk about those in just a minute. But you'll notice here at Machinery Consultants, we specialize in American-made machine tools with limited use, with very low hours. Okay, meanwhile, back at the ranch, 370 RPM. I'd like to point out the high and the low spindle speed chart, and the inch threads and the inch feeds on this chart. I'm going to sneak up here and show them the bed. D16 cam lock with an 1 9/16 spindle bore. Check out the bedways on this machine. Here's the cross slide. Has a pair of steady rests and a number 4 Morse taper in the tailstock.
662.
Okay, that's 662 RPM. Please note how easy it is to change the speeds on this machine and engage the RPM. That's 879 RPM. So again, we're ranging from 13 to 1577 RPMs on the spindle speeds. That's 1189 RPM. Okay, I'm going to come off the tripod. Okay, there's 1300 RPM. Getting shaky coming off the tripod. Straighten it out here. Let me buy ourselves a second at a time here. What I'd like to point out here is a 16-inch heavy-duty faceplate, as well as a 12-inch Cushman 4-jaw chuck. It's an American-made Cushman 4-jaw chuck. Very nice chuck. It has the solid one-piece top jaws. Very expensive chuck. Additionally, we have a 12-inch 3-jaw Cushman chuck here. Now, Frankie's engaging some feeds for us here. There's 54 feeds, and there's 54 threads. The threads range from 1.5 to 92 TPI. Okay, we're going to cheat a little bit, sneak up here and take another quick look at those bedways. So it's a hard bed machine. Now while we're here, I'm going to point out the coolant package, backside of the cross slide, full-length taper attachment. Very nice taper. Here's your 2 steady rests. The machine also has a micrometer bed stop down up near the headstock. Here's your heavy-duty tailstock. Now please note, you will notice that there's not a digital readout on this machine currently. That being said, we specialize in installation and service of digital readouts. We can put a digital readout on this machine at any time for you. Just ask for a price on a DRO. We'd be happy to take care of that, as well as a wedge-style quick change tool post. Okay, back side. Again, here's the steadies coming up on the taper. Focus in on the ways. Now, did I mention it's a 15-horse main drive machine? It's 15 horsepower, and it's currently at 230 volts. Okay, well done, Frankster. I'll go ahead and wrap it up. We're 7 minutes even. Okay, so you'll note here at Machinery Consultants, we have several fine American-made, domestic-built machines. For an example, here's a 4 foot by 13 Carlton radial drill. Here's a lovely American 20 by 72. Behind it is another Axelson. That happens to be a 23 by 72. And behind that, we have a 24 by 100 LeBlanc. Several American-made radial drills. And of course, we have milling machines, radial drills, surface grinders. Here's a Kearney and Trekker. Whatever you need, just feel free to give us a quote. Or give us a call, we'll get you a quote. All right, well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you again for your time and review. Can I hand this quote to you, Frank? It's wrapped around my wrist. And until next time, be happy, be healthy, and thanks for shopping with Machinery Consultants. Have a great day.